Hello, I ordered a Housewise Tabletop Fire Pit off of Amazon. It's one of those concrete fire pits, and this one has the tabletop fire pit, the concrete part, and it also has a outer cup and inner cup. It has two extendable roasting sticks for like marshmallows and stuff, and a lid that you put on it to put the fire out, the ceramic wool that goes inside the cup for the alcohol to burn in, the protective base, and a non-slip pad. So we're gonna go ahead and check this thing out. I've never used one before, but I got it set up. I got the base down there, I got the concrete, I got the two cups inside the inner cup, I got the alcohol in it, 91%. I got the ceramic fiber in there, the wool. Let's go ahead and light this. Of course, alcohol lights on fire really easy, so make sure when you have something like this going, because you can do this indoors, just make sure you don't have anything flammable around it. And it's as quick as that. It's supposed to burn around 45 minutes to an hour. Oh yeah, that's already putting off quite a bit of heat above it. To the side, there's not a lot. Up above, there's quite a bit. I'm definitely going to use this when I'm having when I have a fire outside, because I like to sit outside around the fire while I'm reading my book or watching a movie on my iPad. Use this because it's just, in the summertime, it's just too hot to have a fire in the fire pit, because the heat coming off all that wood. And this thing here, it's popping up to, the flame is about 8 inches high or so above it. Some of them are probably jumping 10 inches high. So this also comes with these forks or these roasting rods. You can put marshmallows on them, or you could probably even put a hot dog on there, but I think that would probably take forever to cook a hot dog. It's mostly for like marshmallows and stuff, so you can make your s'mores or whatever. And it's an extendable little rod. Just kind of get two of those. That's got a pretty good little flame going on. We'll check it out tonight after it gets dark though. I brought the tabletop fire pit outside, and you can see the flames are shooting like 8 inches high in the air. The height of the container on the base is about 5 inches, and so I'd say it's shooting about 1.5 times that high in the air. So you can see the flames quite well. It's kind of cool. I'm really looking forward to grabbing a chair and sitting down and enjoying the light. It's actually a really nice flame, nice and flickering. And it's not, especially since it's a hot summer night, it's not really putting off a lot of heat. I can feel a little heat off to the side, and quite a bit above it, of course. But I think this will be a nice little thing to sit around and watch a movie on my pad, or surf the web, or just watch the fire flicker. It's definitely bright, I gotta say that much. So if you got sensitive eyes like me, you're not going to be able to stare into this fire and just watch it flicker, because it really bothers my eyes. It's bright. But if I was sitting right here and watching a movie, or just watching the stars or whatever, because it's not too bright where it's blocking where I can't look up and see stars like a big fire in the fire pit. It's a wood fire. So anyway, this is how it works. Thanks for watching, and if something like this would interest you, go right to Amazon, and there's a whole bunch of different kinds. I'll put a link to the one I ordered in the description. And this one here, like I said, works great. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.